Woo-wee! Yeah! Here we go! It's our next to last giveaway video. Wheel Collectors is back! This is number 7. We're going to open this mysterious case from years ago. But before we get into that, I just want to give a rundown. It's the second huge round of giveaways. 2 sets of Retro Forza, 2 Gran Turismos, 2 sets of Car Culture L Case, 3 sets of Gran Turismo 2, the Super Treasure Hunt Porsche, the 2 Zamac 8 car sets, and then whatever we have in this box right here. We're drawing it on September 14th. You guys gonna win? I hope you do. This is what I love doing right now. I love doing these giveaways for you guys. The response has been amazing. You guys are amazing. It's been really fun. Without further ado, here's Y9423 L Case. What is this, guys? I found this way up in the rafters of our warehouse. This right here. Oh my goodness, what year is this from? Whew. This is cool. This is cool classics. 16 cars in a case. Look how tightly they're packed in there, guys. 16 cars in a case. We're just going to go 2 by 2 and show you the L case from Cool Classics. Cool Classics have become very hard to find, but to me, they're a little underappreciated. So, here's the card back of Cool Classics right here, and I don't know if you guys remember this, but it came with pink and it came with orange. Let's see if the other one's orange here. Oh, that's a pink one too. So this is the Datsun 240Z, and if you guys remember, this case was Datsun heavy. So, what year did this come out? Okay, this is 2013, so this case is 6 years old. I want to say this came out in the spring of 13, but that's off the top of my head. So we got the 240Z. It's the first 2 cars. The next 2 cars are one more 240Z, and this one has the orange card back. So all it is that auto car is just a different color. And then we have another mod here that's kind of, to me, it's still a little underappreciated. It's the Subaru Brat. I don't know why. I've always liked this car. One of my very first stompers was the brown Brat. I don't know if you guys remember stompers, but this is the red Brat from the L case. Here we go. You guys are going to love this. This is the gold Datsun Bluebird 510 from the Cool Classics. Both of these are the pink card back version. This car right here is getting hard to find. I don't see them at conventions anymore. Super cool. It's got the race stripe down the side of it there. Gold Spectre Flame. Datsun Bluebird 510. There's 2 of those. The next 2 cars, there's another one. However, it's got the orange auto on it. Then the next car is the 1976 Chevy Chevette. And this one's on the orange card back as well. So, the next 2 cars are the Subaru Brat again. This time they're both in the pink. And then the next 2 cars are the 76 Chevette again in the green, this time with the pink auto. And then the last 4 cars in the case, to me, this is one of the better cool classics that they did. The last 4 are all the GT500 Super Snakes. So, and then again, you're going to have orange card backs on these. There's actually 2, and this is another interesting thing. There's 2 of the orange auto, and then there's 2 of the pink. So these were evenly distributed. So let's just take a look here of the Super Snake. I liked this one a lot. I actually have this one in my case. See what you guys think. So, of course, this is video number 7 in the giveaway. So here's what we're going to do. Here's a top-down view of the case here. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to have 3 giveaways on this video, I guess. We'll do this pink set to a commenter. We'll do this pink set to a commenter. And then we'll do the orange auto set with the extra Super Snake to someone that subscribes to us. So, there you go, guys. This is our next round of giveaways, September 14th. Good luck.